Good morning everybody, and this is your DAX setups for today. So just left the levels in from yesterday just so we can see what's going on. But for me, we're still in this potential channel slash flag. So until we break above the top, I'm not really that interested in chasing longs. And you can see we had 3 attempts at this trend line, and then at the bottom here you can see another trend line. I'm going to make the chart really messy now, but there is the bottom trend line. So we're in a channel, no doubt about that. We hit the bottom of the channel and we bounce to the upside. So until we break the channel, I'm not really interested in getting in on this. I don't like trading ranges and channels, so we wait for structure. So we're back above the moving averages at the moment, or the slower moving averages, should I say. So there could be something brewing, but as it has been for the last 2 weeks, it's above and below the moving averages all the time. So the levels are still pretty much the same. There's just one extra level that we need to put in, and that's this pin bar. So you're looking for around 18,545, you're looking for 18,518, and you're looking for 18,481. So you're looking for a pullback onto here. What we're waiting for is a higher low. And you can see this double bottom here. First leg, second leg, and we're above the neckline. So we want to see a test of the neckline, which is those 2 levels, and then we're looking for a move up towards the top of the channel. So looking at the hour, we've broken above the moving averages, and if we do defend the levels I've given you now, that would hold the moving averages, which would give us an opportunity to the upside. So that's the only little scalp that I see brewing at the moment, and I'm looking for clear defense of these levels. I don't want to see a bar hovering sort of halfway down and closing halfway down on the levels. I want to see the tail pretty much like this range bar here. I want to see the tail either directly on the level or just piercing it and the body staying above the level. That's sort of the structure I'm looking for, and that's going to be inside bars, engulfing bars, or pin bars. I think on the 15-minute there's nothing really that changes. We've got a whole lot of noise in the market at the moment, so I suspect it's just going to the volatility is going to continue. But we'll have to see what the noise yesterday about the relaxing of interest rates in the US is going to do to the markets, because that's what the market's been waiting for. But let's see if the market believes what it's hearing. I just want to check 15. You see, there was no real opportunity on the 15-minute to get in unless we just adjust this level, put it onto this after hours pin bar here at 18,433, and you can see we had an engulfing bar there at, what time was this? 9:30, 10:10, 11. So that would have been around 10:30. That's after the market opened in Europe. I suppose it would have been a valid signal, a bit of a flag as well. But anyway, hindsight's perfect science. Not really trading this until I see the hour finding some structure. So yeah, so my advice is still to be cautious. It's only really going to get going once we break above this trend line. So you've got to be patient, but there's definitely an opportunity at these 2 levels, 18,545, 18,518. Come back and defend this area. There's a great opportunity for a long, but I would get out at 18,740 area, and then wait for the next pullback. Try again. It should come back and test the high of yesterday for a move to try and break through the upper end of the flag. Now, just bear in mind, it's been going on for quite some time, so it's not going to be easy. And that's your daily picture. So that's why I'm a little bit bullish. You can see that daily engulfing bar there. It's taken out 3, almost 4 previous days price action. So yeah, I'm waiting in anticipation for this flag to break, because that's going to be a relatively decent trade to take. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.